Now, India's national capital is currently hosting the country's largest textile exhibition called Bharat Tex 2025. The event is hosting 126 countries and more than 6,000 international buyers as well. Our next report brings you more details. Take a look.
India's Ministry of Textile is organizing Bharat Tex 2025 at New Delhi's Bharat Mandapam that brings buyers, sellers and investors under one single roof. Bharat Tex 2025 is the world's youngest and largest global textile show that focuses on forging partnerships and driving economic growth. Speaking about one of its kind exhibition in India, Union Minister of Textile Giriraj Singh said the event is witnessing a footfall from across the globe.
ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा भारत टैक्स जो टेक्सटाइल में एक्सपो के रूप में वो सबसे बड़ा है और ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी 16 तारीख को यहाँ आएंगे। पिछले साल 110 आए थे, इस बार 126 देशों से आने वाले हैं।
The event is not only promoting local artisan but is also hosting global investors in India.
We emphasized, we went local and we took up women. We thought, let's employ the women. That way they teach the kids, feed the home, and they stay. And the biggest USP of our company is that we've given the women looms in their own homes. They don't need to go out anywhere.
I visited this exhibition for the first time, and I find it's really excellent and well organized. A lot of exhibitors, a lot of contacts, potential for the business in Russia, for starting the business in Russia for sure, and signing the contracts between our countries.
Bharat Tex 2025 is also providing women entrepreneurs an opportunity to explore the world of textile and showcase India's culture to the world.
I am coming from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and I am currently building my own brand, Raslili, for handloom textiles and handloom saris, and my aim is to take Indian art and Indian handicraft to the world.
The mega event will run until 17th February and is expected to attract over 6,000 international buyers from over 110 countries and over 120,000 visitors, including policymakers, global CEOs and industry leaders. Deepika Mehto's report for DD India.